Hey guys, this is Mallory's Crafty Corner coming back at you with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make some peppermint scented candles. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we will need is some sort of mason jar or jar to hold our candle in. And also what I'm using is some 100% natural soy wax chips. And then any type of scent for your candle, I'm using peppermint. You will also need a candle wick for each of your candles. And now I'm pouring about 1 cup of my wax chips to melt. So I melted them in the microwave, and here they are. And now I'm going to add my scent in. I'm doing about 6 drops of peppermint scent. Now we're going to hot glue, or just glue, our candle wicks into the bottom of our jars before we put the wax in. Now we're going to cut our wicks, and don't do it too short, because remember, this is the part that's getting burned on the candle. Now let's just pour our wax in. Keep in mind that it cools fast. I also put 2 popsicle sticks so the wick stays straight when cooling.